Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So just to let you all know, I did not put up a video last week, but that is because I did post a photo on Instagram. I was FaceTiming my good friend Hannah. She's from North Carolina, and we both did our makeup together on FaceTime, and it was just so much fun. So I really encourage that you guys try that out. It was honestly kind of a really good time to just talk and do our makeup together. It really felt like we were hanging out. Obviously, I can't go see her during this time due to COVID, and I hope everyone's staying safe, doing well right now, that you all are staying home and taking precautions and everything like that. So yeah, you guys, the look that I did post on my Instagram. It was inspired by Jaden Hostler, who just released a new song called Angels and Demons. And if you want to go check out those photos, all my socials will be down in the description, so make sure you guys go check that out and hit the like button. And so let's cut to today's look. So today I'm going to be doing a super natural yet bronzy look. It's going to be a brown smoky eye. So yeah, it's gonna be super nice, super fun, super easy. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, well then keep on watching. Okay, so I basically did my brows and face off of camera just so we can save some time and focus on the eyes and go into more detail with that. So I'm gonna be taking the Morphe 25B palette, and this palette contains a lot of neutral tone shades, which is perfect for a smoky eye, or if you want to go for that bronzy eye as well. So yeah, that's why I love it. So to start off with the transition shade, I'm going to be going in with this shade called Center, and I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be placing that in my crease. I got a lot, so we just really need to buff it out now. And you really want to go into those circular motions and also the windshield wiper. And when I'm getting on the outer part, I'm just doing a lot of circular motions. So this is how the eye should be looking. And okay, so you saw how the transition shade kind of came on a little too strong in the beginning. There was a lot of pigment. Don't be intimidated by it. You can always blend it out, as you guys can tell. Just get a really fluffy brush that does not have any shadows on it and blend to the gods. I swear to you, it will blend out nicely. Okay, so now I'm gonna kind of add a little bit of a sharper end to my eye. As you guys can see, I kind of fixed that a little bit. I don't want it super round. I just want it to look kind of natural. So now I'm going to be taking my MAC 239 brush, and it's just a nice flat brush just so I can get some eyeshadow onto the lid. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this shade right here in the middle called Bot. It's just a nice warm brown tone, and I'm just going to be putting that onto my lid. That lid shade is on, and before I move forward, I just wanted to let you guys know I do have a base on. I put the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer underneath, and I kind of set it a little bit, so make sure you have a base on. It's just so much easier for the eyeshadow to cling onto your eyes, and so it can have that longevity throughout the day as well. And now I'm gonna go in with this shade called Most, and this is just gonna go in my crease. It's a color that is kind of between the two shades that I put on my lid and my transition shade. So that's just really gonna blend them together. Okay, so to smoke out the eye, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the James Charles palette. And I'm going to be going in with this shade, which I believe is called Spooky. If not, I'll put the correct shade down below. But it's just this nice matte black shade. And I'm going to go in with this angle brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and create a little bit of a smoky liner on the eye. So I'm just going along my lash line. Create that wing. be taking the M573 brush from Morphe to kind of just smoke out the liner. And I'm also going to be grabbing this shade. I'll put it down below because I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, so I'm just putting some on the outer corner, being really careful. I'm going back in with that fluffy brush. I just took the shade Spooky and I placed that on the outer part as well right now. As you can see, the liner is definitely blending in. So this is how it looks. Very nice, very natural, smoky and subtle as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off the camera, place on some lashes, and then we'll move on to the lower lash line. Okay, you guys, so the other eye's done and lashes are done as well. And as you can see, I did this little wing there as well, just to add a little bit more smokiness and dramaticness to it. I do not like how it looks. I'm going to be using the James Charles palette with Morphe. Can't even open it. Great. So I'm going to be diving into the shade Spooky using my angled brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just tapping on there and we're going to just dive right into putting it on the waterline. I'm going to be switching to my Morphe M432 brush. It's a lot thicker and it's better to work with for the eyes. Okay, so now to blend that out, I'm going to be going back in with that 25B palette, going in with the shade Most, and grabbing that Real Techniques fluffy brush. And we're just really going to focus on blending these two colors together. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking. I did have to redo the bottom half of my face just because the black did overpower a little bit and a lot of the excess was falling. I tried taking it off, but instead of wiping it, it smeared. So yeah, but I am going to go ahead and start with lips, and I'm going to be going in with a red lipstick. I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. This is in the shade Mary Jo K, and I'm just going to be outlining my lips. We look a little bit crazy right now, but now I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Mary Jo K as well. Okay, so this look can definitely go both ways. You can keep it soft and natural. I just wanted to add this little pop of color just for more dramaticness. And so now I'm going to be going ahead and doing highlighter. And so with my MAC 168 brush, I'm going to be going in with the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter. So lace up your dress. Pretend that you're an actress. Tonight you're not the star. Now I'm going to set the face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm honestly so obsessed with it. This is the finished look and I am so happy with how it turned out. It really is just a nice, simple and natural look that you can definitely do, and it didn't even take that long as well. If you really enjoyed this look, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And so yeah, you guys, I hope you all are staying safe, staying healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye. Still don't know my name. You still don't know my name. Hi Hi guys, I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know that there are so many ways to help out during the Black Lives Matter movement. I'm going to leave a link down in my description that will give you access to signing petitions, donating to organizations, and as well as providing phone numbers to text and call to demand justice. Systematic oppression has gone on for centuries, and now is the time to speak up and stand up for what's right. We demand justice and equality for people of color. Just because they're a different skin color doesn't mean they're any different. Racism should not be so controversial. We should judge people by what's inside the content of your character, the content of your heart, not on your skin color. Another way to help out is to go out and vote. We need your voice. Educate others, educate yourself. Keep learning, keep listening. Keep your ears open. Don't be ignorant. Normalize changing your opinion. Things happen and things change. So make sure that you keep learning, keep listening, keep informing others. Please don't stay silent. Innocent lives are being taken every single year. Please know your privilege, recognize it.